Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. From the second book of Kings, which is the first reading of today, we heard one dramatic moment in the history of Israel. Sennacherib, the king of Assyria, whose army at that time was very powerful, sent a letter to another king, the king of Judah, Hezekiah. And in that letter, he insulted the God of Israel and threatened Judah, Jerusalem. So when the king of Judah received the letter, what did he do? He went to the temple and brought the matter to God. So dala-dala niya yung sulat, sabi niya sa Panginoon, Panginoon, bahala ka na po. Hindi siya nagpanik, hindi siya natakot. Bagamat ang banta ng Assyria ay totoo at siya'y isang maliit na kaharian lamang laban sa isang superpower na empire at that time, Hezekiah did not panic. Rather, he went to the Lord and left everything in his hands. I remember just 2 days ago, we commemorated the death anniversary of Cardinal Sin. One of the dramatic moments of his life was when he was a seminarian and he was sickly, asthmatic. So, sabi niya, paano ako magiging pari nito kung ako ay hikain? So, ginawa niya, sumulat siya sa mahal na birhen, sa birhen ng birhen Medalya Milagrosa. At ang sabi niya doon sa letter, a dear lady, I am a seminarian and I'm very sickly. If at this time, may binigay siyang period, I don't get healed, it means it is a signal that I am not meant to be a priest. Sabi niya sa sulat, kung hindi ako gagaling, tanda ito na hindi ako nakalaan para magpari. And the miracle happened because after that, he did not get sick of asthma anymore. My dear brothers and sisters, many times we are like Hezekiah. We are confronted with so big a challenge. And many times we panic. We became fearful. Kaya ko ba itong problema na ito? Mahaharap ko ba itong pagsubok na ito? Well, kung tayo lang, hindi talaga natin makakaya. Kung tayo lang, hindi natin talaga kayang mapagtagumpayan ang mga pagsubok sa buhay. Pero ang tanong bakit kakayanin natin ng tayo lang? Meron naman tayong pwedeng lapitan at ito'y walang iba kundi ang Diyos. Kaya kapag may pagsubok na dumarating, may mabigat na problemang kinakaharap, sa halip na magpanik, sa halip na matakot, sa halip na mag-paralyze, well, punta tayo sa Diyos at sabihin natin sa Diyos, Lord, hindi ko kaya to. Hindi ko kaya to. Eto, bahala ka na. Tulungan mo ako. And the ending of the story in the first reading is that the angel of the Lord that night went forth and struck down 185,000 men in the Assyrian camp. Ang Diyos ang kumilos sapagkat nagtiwala ang hari ng Judah sa Diyos. My dear brothers and sisters, this is a very good reminder to us that we don't face our problems alone. We do not face problems alone. Whatever problem, it may be sickness, it may be a job loss, it may be marital problems, it may be family problems, it may be a son or a daughter who is giving you headache and heartache. Ang daming problema ng mundo. Pero sa pagbasa natin ngayon, ipinapaalaala sa atin, huwag mong pasaning mag-isa. Huwag mong pasaning mag-isa. Lumapit ka sa Diyos at humingi ka ng tulong sa Kanya. Perhaps when you have problems, you may write letter. There is an image there of the Blessed Mother, no? The Immaculate Conception, no? Sulat kayo. No need to write your name, no? Baka mamaya maisip akong basahin yan eh, no? Malaman ko pa yung problema nyo. No? But you see, joking aside, our first reading is reminding us we should not carry our problems alone. May kakampi tayo. May kakampi tayo at siya ang tutulong sa atin, ang Diyos. Amen.